My name is Teo Zosa, and I'm an ML engineer at Mercari. Mercari's mission and vision is it started off as a global marketplace where anyone could buy and sell. Since we're now more than an e-commerce marketplace, it's now something larger to unleash the value in all people. We do that primarily through our e-commerce marketplace, but we have fintech, we have cryptocurrency exchange. AI is impacting many areas at Mercari. Just speaking for the marketplace app specifically, we have an LLM team that is leading the integration of LLMs across core product areas, as well as enabling those product areas to use LLMs in their existing services and more use cases. So, for instance, delivering LLMs directly to our users for, to assist both buyers and sellers. So in our work building and fine-tuning LLMs, the biggest challenges really are organizational challenges, collaboration overhead. And so a lot of the times people think that, you're training this model, you're finding architectures, you're running like hyperparameter sweeps. It's really just talking to the right people and finding the right business case. And so the collaboration overhead to even start a project is the real pain point. So weights and biases has really helped both the collaboration overhead and the development workflow. So collaboration-wise, now our engineers say it's as easy as showing a PM a graph, and now they automatically understand and they can go and project prioritize. As far as the ML development itself, similar but scaling across engineers. So now not just working on one model for one project, you're working on 10 across multiple projects, and you can hand off to other engineers, kind of give them best practices, guidance, share your findings with reports, and really disseminate knowledge across all teams instead of reinventing the wheel for each project. So personal favorite's still going to be experiment tracking, since that's the thing that we used mostly, though super excited for Weave and all the things it can do, because I think that weights and biases as a tool can provide much more opportunity to users for much larger use cases than just model training, just observability across different software projects in general. A major challenge with working with LLMs in a different language is most of the strong ones these days are trained on not Japanese language. And so we have to do a lot of custom in-house training and research to make sure that the models that we do use actually work for our users, both in Japan and in our e-commerce context. What excites me most about Gen AI is the fact that it opens up a lot more potential use cases. So even for us, right? We started with helping listers list better listings, but now we want to help people find things better, right? Kind of do a better job of that. And so I think that's the thing I'm most excited about, is it opens up focus areas that we couldn't have had prior with the more conventional ML at this point. And something that I would caution people when deploying LLMs is to not go straight for the holy grail of, I'm going to use an LLM for this really complicated use case, to start small and to say, well, how can I add user value by delivering an LLM to a user in a way that doesn't degrade the user experience, and kind of learn from that going forward.